joining in front, Zimbabwe country stockist, Madam Nisha Sikauti. The next person joining me from Togo country stockist, Mr. Via Brizowi Associated. Next person only is from Philippines country stockist, Madam Gina Kakes Masyatu. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, and thankfully we have our ambassador diplomat today to join us and gracing at this event. So thank you so much. And now, thankfully, once again, we would like to invite our first lady, Dr. Sri Anantana, also our Dr. Wellington to join me and present the token of appreciation and extend our heartfelt gratitude to our ambassador for gracing us in this event with their presence. And first, we'd like to have Dr. Anantana and Dr. Wellington to give the token of appreciation to Ms. Soma Muslika, the diplomat of Namibia. Alright guys, give a big hand and welcome our ambassador diplomat. And next, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present the next token appreciation to our His Excellency Ambassador Dalami Ibrahim, Charlotte Flag High Commission of Nigeria. Once again, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you for all ambassadors and diplomat for joining us and gracing in this event and make us truly special and added significant present to our event. We deeply appreciate all your full support. Thank you so much. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, appreciation to our collaboration partners.